Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Crypto Tips. My name is Toby, and I want to go over something that's really important to understand where we are on this fifth cycle. Now, many of you might not know some of this. I actually didn't know some of this as well. So let's get into it. I'm going to explain to you why I think alts are about to make the craziest move you've probably ever seen. Okay, so let's go back in history. 2017, it's pretty much, that's kind of when the Bitcoin dominance was around 95%. Means that Bitcoin took up pretty much the entirety of, or 95% of the altcoins as well, like the value of all those combined. So imagine that right now, that if Bitcoin had all of the value in crypto right now, would be worth like $2.3 trillion, which would equate to well over $100,000 per coin. Now, if you want to learn more about Bitcoin dominance, check out the video that was posted just before this one. Heidi made it. It's really good. And also Heidi is coming out with a series on trading and understanding where we are in cycles, where we are in price. And yeah, so keep in mind that this is just one indicator. Just because, you know, this one is really good indicator doesn't mean it's the be all end all, right? You have to combine this with many different indicators. But right now, this indicator is very important with the altcoin cycle. So back in 2017, the Bitcoin dominance was at 95%, and it proceeded once the bull run of 2017, 2018 happened to go to 35%. So that's a massive decline in Bitcoin dominance. And one of the main reasons for that is because there were new ICOs coming out. You know, for instance, people caught on to Ripple. Ripple went from under a cent to $3.50. You had coins like Dash that went from, you know, a buck or whatever to $1,600. You know, at the end of the bull run, back in 2018, you can see the incline of the Bitcoin dominance. It started rising like crazy. And the reason why is because altcoins usually lose about 80 to 95%, sometimes 99% of their value. You know, a lot of the coins that were in the top 10 back in 2017, 2018 aren't there right now. Like they're kind of going away. It's kind of like one of them was Dash. You know, Dash never recovered from its all-time high of like $1,600. You know, because there's many more different projects out there that are taking advantage of decentralized finance, NFTs, like, and the list literally goes on and on and on. So this is why, I mean, think about it. Binance Net was not in the top 10 back in 2017, 2018. Now it's, you know, it's giant. It's in the top 5. So this is just what happens with market cycles. You know, every bull run has its different, you know, benefits or winners and losers pretty much. So that's kind of what I want to point out. So right now, people are probably wondering, why is Bitcoin taking the show right now? You know, coins right now are kind of flat right now. And you might be wondering, well, why is that? You know, Bitcoin's going up. Bitcoin's at 51,000. Why are my coins like Atom or, you know, DOT or, you know, Algo or you know, different coins like that? Why aren't they going up? Why aren't they catching up with Ether as well? So this is just different cycles through the different phases, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You are going to experience coins that will drop when Bitcoin is going up, or and certain times it'll be going up while Bitcoin is going up as well. So it's kind of hard to tell the beginning of this, the beginning of these stages of the switch from Bitcoin dominance to rising to altcoin dominance rising. So what I expect right now is for Bitcoin to rise a little bit more, but I really think right now is the time to get into your favorite alts. I expect a huge run for this year. especially to the end of the year. It's going to be massive. And, you know, there's a lot of liquidity getting thrown into Bitcoin right now, but don't forget about these alts, you know, like these alts are going to be huge. You know, this is where the fun happens, you know, this is the last leg of this bull. And, you know, you're going to be FOMOing in really hard when the alts start going like crazy and your Bitcoin isn't going as crazy as the alts. So keep that in mind. This always happens. You know, a lot of people get slaughtered during this time because they're like, well, shoot, they want to chase the price, and chasing the price is not a smart idea. It's we never recommend that. So anyways, if you want to see what we are doing with our portfolio, check us out. The link is below for the CT Club. I'll show you our trade alerts and our portfolio updates. I also give kind of my market synopsis of like where I see this headed. You know, a lot of people were really bearish. A lot of like even trading platforms and YouTubers were really bearish during this time. You know, for the last 6 months or whatever, they're like, this is a top, this is a top. And Heidi and I have been, you know, sticking our heads out there going, no, this isn't the top. You know, like, stop listening to these people. And that is why we started the CT Club, to help people kind of navigate their way through the crypto land. Anyways, that's all I have to say to you. If you like videos like this, like what I've done right here, if you want me to keep track of this for you, I will continue doing that. Just leave a message below, and I'll know that you guys kind of want to see videos like this, because I know it's really helpful, especially for navigating the end of this bull run. And we'll definitely let you know when we are going to be selling. It's not right now, not even close, but you know, when we are going to sell, we're going to let everybody know. All right, have a good day. Stay disobedient. Bye-bye.